Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I'm using Aunt Jackies Flaxseed collection to keep my hair moisturized this fall. Over time, my wash and goes can get pretty dry. My ends can get very brittle, and sometimes I'm just not ready to completely wash my hair, but I want to re-moisturize. So I'm creating 2 strand twists, and first I'm going in with the half and half hydrating soaking hair milk. This hair milk is formulated with nourishing coconut milk, avocado, and marshmallow root, and will not only moisturize but also detangle and soften your hair. So I'm saturating my hair with the hair milk first, and then working that through with a detangler brush. This is going to work out all of the kinks and tangles and moisturize my hair to prepare for the twists. Next, I'm going in with the hydrating sealing butter, which contains honey, avocado, and shea butter. It's going to give you that shine that you want and also help prevent breakage. Applying a generous amount to each section of hair, I'm taking 2 strands of the sections and twisting it from roots to end. You're going to continue with each section, making sure that the hair is saturated with the butter. This is really going to seal in that twist. Reapply the soaking milk as needed if certain parts of the hair start to get dry. The back half of my hair is all twisted, and as you can see, my hair is super shiny and hydrated from roots to end. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps with the top half of my hair, going in first with the soaking milk, and then reapplying the butter to each and every section that I twist. As you can see, I applied the milk and the butter to each and every twist, which really locks in the style and keeps my hair super hydrated. I air dried my twist overnight and used a silk scarf to keep away the frizz. Even though it's not edge control, the sealing butter is multifaceted, so I'm going to use it to lay my edges. To complete this style, I'll be adding a small gold hair gem and pin the twist on the side. Okay guys, this is the final look. Thanks to the hydrating hair milk and the sealing butter, these 2 strand twists will last me about a week. Make sure you pick up these products to keep your hair moisturized this fall, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!